Such a gorgeous layout, and I have my linens here. I'm out in the garden, as you can see. I have some of my linens here. I just love drying my linens, my clothes outside. I think it's just the Jamaican in me. I just love doing that. But they should be dry by now. So I'm going to pick them up and bring them into the laundry room and put them in a dryer for about 10 minutes or so, just to get some of the extra wrinkles out. And then, yeah, I'll be ready to make up my primary bedroom. Big fluffy bed. As for me, it doesn't matter the season. I love having big weighty blankets on my bed because when I tell you, once I hit this bed, it's snooze time. I just love the weight of heavy blankets when I'm sleeping. So yeah, it doesn't matter if it's summer, winter, like a big comforter. I just love it. But anyways, friends, these are the new silk pillow covers, all wash and gently iron. And I absolutely love them. I went ahead and treated myself to some new ones. I've had the other ones for literally years. So I thought it was time to treat myself to some new pillow covers. I absolutely love sleeping on silk pillow covers. They're just really great for your hair and not to mention your skin. They're just so lovely to sleep on. I also went ahead and treated myself to these beautiful, beautiful new sheets. Believe it or not, these are from Walmart and they're absolutely great price point. I think these were 600 thread count cotton sheets, which are really, really good. I absolutely love them. After they're washed, they just feel so soft and so luxurious. And I love the way they matches my comforter. I actually did not know that they would match my comforter. So I love the stripes on them. They're just absolutely gorgeous. And it matches the stripe on my comforter as well. So that's a win-win. And I absolutely cannot wait to snooze in this bed tonight. Oh, I just love it. Love, love, love. Okay, so let me go ahead and finish up and then we'll do a quick little whiz around the room. So as for my comforters, I do not wash them in my home washer. I usually take them to the laundromat to get them washed because I refuse to damage my washer. So I usually take them to the laundromat to get them washed, which I recently did 2 days ago when it was piping hot outside. I took them to the laundromat and I had them all washed. So that was a workout. But yeah, everything is all clean and fresh. It's about to storm outside. So I'm just bringing my big baby back inside. I just brought her out to get some sun and I just water her with some rainwater. And she's looking very, very happy. I love watering my indoor plants with rainwater. So I usually catch like rainwater and or harvest rainwater, and I usually use it to water my indoor plants because I think it's just the best water to use to water plants, period. So that's what I just did to this little baby. She was outside for about 30 minutes to get some sun and some rainwater. And she's looking really, really good. All right, task completed. So this is one of my beautiful pineapples. Oh my gosh, it's looking so gorgeous and ready for the picking. Oh my gosh. And it smells so amazing. This little corner of the garden. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So that's one right there. And as you can see, I do have quite a few pineapple plants over there. Last year I did receive 4 pineapples, and this year I only have 2. So that's the other pineapple right there, all tucked in with my lemongrass. I have so many little things growing in this little corner. So just a little update on the front patio that we did plant up together. Everything is looking really, really good. All the ivy, all the little vincas, they're looking so cute. And I did went ahead and add the potato vines back in because I just love the fullness, and they're just so easy to propagate. All I did was I took some from the planters in the driveway and I just put them in some water, and within 3 days, literally, they start putting out root, and I just stick them in the soil here. And my little vincas, I'm so happy with them. I'm surprised that they're doing great here in the shade. But I do get morning, so east facing and west facing sun. So I guess that's why they're doing great. But yeah, I'm very happy. I'm very, very happy with this. So the garden is looking absolutely lovely after a quick mow. I need to fill in the beds with fresh mulch, but I'm gonna wait until the end of the rainy season. I did went ahead and trim this back because my plumbago was very much out of control. So I did went ahead and trim it back some. So it's looking really good now. The vincas on this side of the garden, they're doing excellent still. And the garden is looking so nice. Oh, I don't know what happened with my little thing here. Oh, but yeah, all the vincas are looking so good. Okay, friends, so it is currently in the afternoon now, and I'm on the east side of the garden, which still gets a lot of sun. I have this pepper tree here, which, as you can see, have a ton of peppers. Still, it literally does not stop producing. But anyways, I need to come in and harvest them because, as you can see here, some of them are going bad. I actually wanted to grab some before they all turn yellow, but unfortunately, I kind of forgot about them. But anyways, I have a ton of yellow ones. I need to grab them. I think I'm gonna make some Jamaican hot sauce. And also need to grab my basil because I want to make some pesto, some homemade pesto. I made some last year and it was absolutely delicious. So I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna harvest all of these here, including the peppers. Oh, I think I see a green one here. Yeah, there's a green one still, which is good. So, anyways, let me go in and harvest these. Ooh, I also have over here some okra. Same thing. I completely forgot to come out and harvest them. And let me tell you, within a few days, they get to this size, which they're not really edible at this size. So I'm going to save these for the seeds. Same thing over here. Like these, this is a size that I like when because they're really, really good and tender. But when they're like that size there, like so, it's very, very stringy and it's just not edible at all. So I'm gonna harvest those and save them for the seeds. As you can see here, it looks like the seeds are already poking out. So yeah, let me come in and harvest these. It's spicy on this side of the garden, aka very hot. So let me just grab these peppers. This tree literally does not stop producing peppers. There are so many peppers. Oh my goodness. Some of them are so huge. So I'm going to make some, like I said, I want to make some Jamaican hot sauce with these or some pickled pepper, which is really delicious. Rosemary. Oh, it smells so amazing. Not rosemary. I said rosemary, but it's basil or basil, depending on where in the country you live. Um, but yeah, I need to grab these. I don't think I'm harvesting it the right way. I'm gonna leave some areas on it. But yeah, I need to grab all of these. I probably should like put them in water. But this is a lot to make some pesto, some homemade pesto. Oh my goodness. If you haven't made pesto before, highly, highly recommend it. From basil. It's so delicious. All right, so I think I grabbed most of it. That looks good. All right, so my basket is flowing over. Oh, these ones are going to seed, which I'm just gonna get rid of the blossom. Oh, just throw this in. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab the okras. I'm gonna grab the ones that's old so that the tree or the plant can produce new, it's not putting in all its energy into that one. And they're quite productive too. They, like, if you're a small family, you just need a few trees because they produce a lot. But the other day I made some Jamaican escovitch fish and I used some of these. They were so delicious. Oh my gosh. Absolutely delicious. So I think that's it for here. Like I said, my basket is overflowing. Okay, so last but not least, in this little area of the garden, I have this little cluster here. And I love having a little cluster area in the garden where I have a mixture of edibles and plants that's growing together. So I have this little mini watermelon here that's been growing. I don't know if it's ready, but I've never seen watermelon this small, but the stem is completely dried off now. So I'm going to harvest it now and I'm going to cut it and see what it's given on the inside. But yeah, I love this little cute little cluster area here. And I'm getting some shade from my massive sun hat. I have so many little cuties growing in this little area. But anyways, let me not get distracted and let me just grab this little baby watermelon. So this is it. This is the cutest little watermelon from the garden. Oh my gosh, I am so curious to cut it and see what's on the inside.